Hey guys, today we'll be looking at simultaneous equations. I'm just going to introduce you to the topic. So firstly, probably you're wondering what's the point in simultaneous equations. Very simple. We might have a situation where we have two things that we do not know the value of. Yeah. So in this situation, we've got pillows and quilts. Yeah. And nowhere are we told how much they cost each. So imagine we want to figure out the cost of a pillow and the cost of a quilt. Well, the basic principle is imagine you've gone to the shops and you have purchased 3 pillows and 4 quilts and you spent £48. And then I've gone to the shops and I've purchased 8 pillows and 4 quilts at a cost of £68. Well, we can see that I've spent 20 quid more and I've purchased 5 more pillows. So those 5 extra pillows have cost me £20 more. Hence, a pillow must be 20 divided by £5, which is £4. Now I know the value of a pillow, I can substitute it back into either equation to figure out how much the quilt costs. So I've spent £4 on 8 pillows. So 8 times 4 is 32, well done. So that means £32 on pillows plus however much 4 quilts cost me will equal £68. Yeah, which was the total I spent in equation 2. So the 4 quilts must have been 68 take away 32, which is, that's right, 36. So 4 quilts cost me £36. A quilt must be £9. So that is the basic principle of simultaneous equations. So what will happen is you'll end up having equations just like this if you haven't already got to that point. And people start getting confused as to why we're combining equations. That's why it's the basic principle here. So let's do another example. So this time I've got apple pies and banoffee pies, and I'll be the gluttonous one. So I've purchased 4 more banoffee pies. So here, my 4 banoffee pies come at a cost of £20 extra. So each banoffee pie must be 20 divided by £4, which is, you got it, £5. Now, if I sub that into either equation, I'm going to sub it into equation 1 this time, we can figure out the price of the apple pie. So 4 apple pies plus 4 banoffee pies at a cost of £5 equals £32. So 4 apple pies plus 20 equals 32. So if I take 20 away from 32, I've got 12. So 4 apple pies came at a cost of £12. They must have cost £3 each. So we found the value. So we've solved these 2 equations at the same time, hence simultaneously, to find out the value of a banoffee pie being £5 and an apple pie being £3. So let's do one more. Practice makes permanent and all of that. There it is. So we have 10 mugs and 4 plates costing £40, and 8 mugs and 4 plates costing £36. So again, we bought the same amount of plates. Yes, so I'm going to formalize it a bit. Forget that. So we've got a difference of 2 mugs at a cost of £4. So each mug must cost £2. Well, if a mug costs £2, if I look at the second equation, 8 mugs must have cost me £16, and plus 4 plates came at a cost of £36. So that's sub into equation 2. And we get this, yeah? Because 8 times 2 is 16. So 4 plates must have been 36 take away 16, which is £20. So each plate must be 20 divided by £4, which gives us a cost of £5. So that is an intro to simultaneous equations. I hope that makes sense for you. In the next video, we'll be looking at solving equations where we're not given mugs and plates. Yeah, it's just given X and Y. See you soon.